Are you tired of grainy, blurry photos in low light? Do you want to capture stunning images even in the darkest conditions? Then you need a camera that's designed for low-light photography. But with so many options on the market, how do you know which one is right for you? In this video, I'm going to reveal the best low-light cameras of 2023. I'll also share some tips on how to take great photos in low light, even if you're on a budget. So don't buy a camera before you watch this video. Number 1. Canon EOS R6 Mark II. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II emerges as a versatile camera, masking its potent capabilities behind an unassuming exterior. Unlike its predecessors, such as the EOS 6D Mark II, which often required compromises, the EOS R6 Mark II reshapes expectations for mid-range cameras. This unpretentious device surprises with its ability to record 6K videos and capture 24.2 stills at an impressive 40 frames per second. As a true hybrid, the EOS R6 Mark II seamlessly caters to both photography and videography, introducing adjustments to physical controls and the menu system for an intuitive user experience. Canon has successfully crafted a well-rounded camera that challenges the conventions of mid-range expectations. Number 2. Sony A7S III. The Sony A7S III stands out as a full-frame camera with a primary focus on exceptional video capabilities, particularly in low-light environments. Its 12MP backside illuminated sensor, though lower in pixel count, excels in challenging lighting conditions, delivering impressive dynamic range and smooth image processing. The autofocus is both fast and precise, complemented by high-quality image stabilization for versatile handheld shooting. With a diverse selection of lenses available, users have ample creative options. The camera's standout video features, including uncropped 4K video, 16-bit RAW recording, and a high-resolution viewfinder, make it an enticing choice for videographers tackling challenging lighting situations. However, it's crucial to acknowledge potential limitations for those who also engage in other genres of photography. Number 3. Google Pixel 8 Pro. The Pixel 8 Pro delivers a refined user experience and excels as a top-tier camera phone. Compared to its predecessor, the 7 Pro, the imaging experience has seen significant improvements, establishing it as one of the best available on a smartphone. Although occasional processing issues may arise, the overall excellence of the camera mitigates any potential drawbacks. A standout feature is the night mode, which is the best on any smartphone currently and now extends to enhance nighttime video as well. Google's advanced algorithms excel at extracting detail from the sensor, utilizing AI to effectively reduce artifacts like noise, resulting in cleaner low-light footage. Number 4. Panasonic Lumix G9 II. The Panasonic Lumix G9 II delivers a versatile camera experience, catering to both photographers and videographers with its comprehensive set of features. While Panasonic is renowned for its video capabilities, the G9 II impresses with its stills capabilities as well. The in-body image stabilization and enhanced autofocus system contribute to exceptional image quality, and its stabilization stands out as one of the best in the market, particularly beneficial for low-light photography. This feature enables shooting at lower shutter speeds to minimize camera shake, although it doesn't address subject movement. As a commendable successor to the original model, the G9 II underscores Panasonic's commitment to the MFT mount, providing compelling reasons for users to consider it for their photography and videography needs. Number 5. Fujifilm X-T5. The Fujifilm X-T5 raises the bar for Fujifilm's APS-C range, marrying a stunning design with cutting-edge technology. The 40MP sensor enhances detail, and the addition of a BSI CMOS sensor improves low-light capabilities and ISO handling. Notably, the X-T5 boasts up to 7 stops of in-body image stabilization, ensuring steady shots in challenging night conditions, distinguishing the X-T5 from the X-H2, both sharing the same sensor and processor, comes down to ergonomics and design. The X-H2 embraces a more modern layout with a top screen, while the X-T5 features retro dials. Despite these differences, both cameras yield similar results and are compatible with Fujifilm X-mount lenses, offering photographers a choice between aesthetics while enjoying exceptional image quality. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. I appreciate your support.